how to add new contacts in WhatsApp on Android device. So if you want to add new contacts to your WhatsApp, then what you can do is first open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the bottom right, and here you can go for new contact option on the upper side. Tap on new contact and here it will take you to the new contact. So from here you can add new contacts in your WhatsApp. So simply enter the first and last name of that person and then the phone number of that person, and you can tap on save to, and you can choose the Google account, or if you want to save that to your phone, tap on phone and then tap on save. And you can also add some additional information. Tap on add information and from here you can add additional information and you can add that contact to your WhatsApp. So that's how you can add a contact to WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.